Before you do any electrical work, always make sure you disconnect your negative 10mm wrench. Loosen up the nut and just spin her off. Remove the engine cover, 10mm socket. And just lift it up. Disconnect the ignition coil connector. That's the harness. Push down on this tab and lift up. 10mm socket. Undo the mounting bolt. And grab the coil and pull up. Take your new coil, slide it down over the spark plug, lining up that mount hole. Grab your mounting bolt, start it by hand. 10mm socket. You want to bottom that out. And then just snug it. Take your harness connector, line it up, and push it on. So now you can put your engine cover back on, line up. This one, the stud actually came out with the nut. That happens, it's not a big deal. Start it by hand, put the nut on this side, 10mm socket, and just snug them up. Now we're done, we can put our negative battery cable back on. And 10mm wrench. Make sure it seats all the way down on the post.